Hi, this is Turk Wilson here. We've got a TechServe Underground video about the new backplane connector on the CEM3 for the beacon board. It's going to be changing to this new blue CUI connector that has push-in terminals, and most of this is going to happen fairly seamlessly. It's only if you run into a situation where you have to change a backplane that you'll end up having to re-terminate this connector. But we're going to show you how to do that today. So we're going to push this out of the way. We're going to get our backplane in here. So this is the old Weed Miller connector. Essentially what we need to do here is we need to unscrew these wires out of here. We can be done with that. We're going to want to make sure that we've got 10 millimeters of strip back, and we don't quite have that. So we need to strip a little back on these. So we'll do that. We want to make sure we have a good connection there. Alright. So we got a new backplane. I'm going to start with pin 1 here, which is right here. You just push down on the orange tab. I'm going to take my red wire and slide it in. Once I have it in, I tug up on it, make sure that it's all nice and tight. Next we're going to do pin 2, which is blue. Insert that into the center hole. Pull up on it, make sure it's all nice and tight. And last but not least, we got our common wire. Push down on that one. Ooh. Let's clean this up a bit. Make it a little easier to get in there. Push it in the hole, and then tug up on that, make sure that's in place. It is easier to kind of use this backplane to hold this in place for you, kind of as a workbench. If you need to, you can then unplug to maneuver around and get the backplane in place, but that's how you get those wires in place. If you have any questions, please give us a call.